Upgrading a regular bicycle into an electric bike doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. E-bike conversion kits make it easy to add speed, power, and efficiency without buying a brand new electric bike. Whether you want light daily assistance, powerful hill climbing, or fat tire performance, the right kit can completely transform your ride. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best e-bike conversion kits, reliable, powerful, and suitable for different bike sizes and riding styles. We analyze specs, performance, and real user feedback to build this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices.
Number 5. 20-inch 36-volt 250-watt front-wheel e-bike kit. This 20-inch 36-volt 250-watt front-wheel conversion kit is a great entry-level option for beginners. It offers smooth pedal assistance with a top speed of around 30 kilometers per hour, making it ideal for city commuting and casual riding. The hub motor runs quietly and efficiently, while the included LED display shows speed, battery level, and riding mode. Installation is simple, and the lightweight design keeps handling balanced. If you want an affordable, low-power conversion for daily use without stressing your bike frame, this kit is a solid choice.
Number 4. 48-volt 800-watt brushless motor conversion kit. The 48-volt 800-watt brushless motor kit is designed for DIY enthusiasts who want more torque and flexibility. Suitable for electric bikes, tricycles, and scooters, this DC brushless motor delivers strong acceleration and reliable performance. It's ideal for custom builds where standard hub kits don't fit. The motor is energy efficient, durable, and capable of handling heavier loads. If you're planning a custom electric conversion project and want a powerful motor that works across multiple vehicle types, this kit offers excellent versatility and value. Number 3. 750-watt fat tire front hub conversion kit. This 750-watt fat tire electric bike conversion kit supports both 20-inch and 26-inch wheels, making it highly versatile. The powerful front hub motor delivers strong torque for sand, snow, and rough terrain. Features like cruise control and multiple drive modes improve riding comfort on long trips. The complete kit includes essential components for smooth installation and stable performance. Ideal for adventure riders and off-road users, this kit transforms a regular fat tire bike into a capable electric machine with excellent control and climbing ability.
Number 2. 28-inch 48-volt 1000-watt rear-wheel e-bike kit. Built for speed and strength, this 28-inch 48-volt 1000-watt rear-wheel conversion kit is perfect for road and hybrid bicycles. The rear hub motor provides better traction and more natural riding balance, especially at higher speeds. It handles hills easily and supports heavier riders with consistent power output. The kit is well suited for long commutes and fast urban riding. If you want a noticeable performance upgrade with strong acceleration and stable handling, this rear-wheel kit is a powerful and dependable option. Number 1. 26-inch 48-volt 1500-watt rear hub motor kit. The 26-inch 48-volt 1500-watt rear hub motor conversion kit is the most powerful option on this list. Designed for fat tire, snow, and off-road bikes, it delivers exceptional torque and high top-end speed. The LCD display provides detailed ride data, while the robust motor handles steep hills and challenging terrain with ease. This kit is ideal for riders who demand maximum performance, heavy-duty reliability, and all-terrain capability. If you want a high-power e-bike conversion with serious riding confidence, this is the ultimate choice.
E-bike conversion kits offer a smart way to upgrade performance without buying a new electric bike. From lightweight commuter kits to powerful off-road setups, these 5 options cover every riding need. Choose the one that fits your bike and riding style best and enjoy electric freedom. Comment your favorites and subscribe for more smart tech reviews.